For the final 3 AI stocks on our list, we're going to be taking a look at this list of the 7 best performing AI stocks from NerdWallet. Now do keep in mind this is a list of the best performing stocks over the last 12 months, so many of them are trading at a high valuation. But do keep in mind that with the stock market, the trend is often your friend. Just be sure to do your own research on them before investing. SoundHound AI is a voice artificial intelligence company that was founded back in 2005. This company offers a voice AI platform that enables businesses to offer customized and automated customer service. Yes, most of us find it very annoying to talk to these automated customer service agents, but many of them are happening right through SoundHound AI, like a receptionist or even an entire customer service team. As more businesses adopt these cost and time-saving technologies, this will be a massive benefit for companies like SoundHound AI. But in addition to this, SoundHound is also involved in other AI voice services, such as drive-through ordering and even smart assistants built into vehicles. They even have a retail-facing app called the SoundHound Music app where you can sing or hum any song and it will identify it for you. This is a very interesting company with a clear use case, and they've been a top performer over the last 12 months, and this may continue going forward. Next up on the list here, we have Upstart. This AI fintech company is up over 100% over the last 6 months, and it has also been a popular stock in the past too. Despite this performance over the last year, if you take a look at the last 5 years, Upstart stock is still actually down about 80% from the highs reached in 2021. This is why you need to be extremely careful with any speculative bubbles that can form in the market, and it's entirely possible that something like this happens with AI stocks too. Upstart is an AI lending platform that partners with banks to provide loans that aren't based on traditional variables like credit score. Instead, their tool looks at other factors such as education and employment to predict creditworthiness. A lot of people feel like the traditional credit scoring system is unfair, and artificial intelligence has the computing power to calculate risk in a much deeper manner. Upstart could be a very disruptive solution that exists within the current banking system. If Upstart is able to better predict risk through their AI modeling as opposed to the traditional credit scoring system, this could become the new mainstream solution for banks looking to calculate risk. The final stock on our list here that was identified by NerdWallet is Pegasystems. This is a software company that offers a platform for workflow automation and decision-making powered through generative AI. And while that all sounds cutting edge, which most of it is, this is a company that was founded back in 1983. Pegasystems helps businesses to streamline operations, personalize interactions with customers, and automate services. For example, Pegasystems software is able to automate digital journeys for customers as well as automate processes and more. As mentioned, Pegasystems was founded back in 1983 by Alan Trefler, who developed some of the first AI agents that could play chess at an elite level. Recently, Pegasystems got a price target hike to $95 from a key analyst, which sent the stock soaring to double-digit single-day gains. Pega works with major enterprise leaders such as Google, Verizon, and more.